What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Polo Evolve. I'm back with another video. Little quick trade recap for the day. You guys see I had a winning day, netted about $322. You guys see the trade right here. Very quick scalp. Here I'm gonna explain it. So let's see. On the daily, now the daily the last one did close with not too much uh, confirmation. Is basically a doji, so you can either go up or down. But on the weekly, we definitely had a bearish bias considering the last weekly closed at this resistance and signifying that this week is likely to go down and maybe tap around these levels or even go all the way down here to 24,616. With that being said, going over to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, see, I had this level over here, and this 4 hour did break above, and around market open, it had a chance of either continuing to push up, or in this case, it broke the previous 4 hour lows. At that point, 1 hour, and even at this point, like 7 and 8 a.m., started to show that there was a resistance being formed. So, initially, I thought maybe we could have some buys, but since it is Wednesday and, candles started to print in a bearish fashion. And if you really think about it, this entire time, yeah, we've been bouncing off this level. And even here, last time it ended up breaking, right? And even here yesterday, it tapped this level and came right back down. So this case, I was looking more for a sell opportunity around market open. Market open came, created a little top wick, and then on the 5 minutes, I simply just, it made its top wick and it flipped. And I got out very quickly because, again, I think honestly I was being a bitch. I've been trading like a bitch recently just because, I blew two funded accounts, and essentially, I guess I've been pretty scared to size up. Like this trade, look at this. Like this trade could have, I made $300, but very easily could have made like 2K, 3K on this trade. It's still running, and I'm watching it. I locked myself out because I took my trade for the day. I could have re-entered, but at the same time, it's like I'm not really trying to build these bad habits. The bad habits are what made me blow my account in the first place. With that being said, my balance is at 965. I have three profitable days, right? So I have, since starting this new funded, had a $400 day, $200 day, and then another $300 day. Yes, even yesterday, same thing with gold. I took a little small piece of the pie, but price ended up running like crazy, and I could have made way more money. But right now, I'm focusing on getting that one payout. Once I get that one payout, I'm gonna start scaling up a little bit more because I've at least proved to myself that I can get this payout, right? Like I said in my previous videos, I got a couple of payouts last year, but this year I've just been on a downfall and I haven't been able to get any payouts really. So with that being said, I want to focus on the process. It's very easy to look at the chart and think, wow, I could have made so much money. But at the same time, we want to focus on the process and not the result. The money will come. I promise the money will come. If you guys are in a similar situation where you're trying to get funded, or you're trying to get your first payout, or just a payout in general, remember, just focus on the process. Make sure that you're following your rules. Make sure that you're keeping your psychology in check. If you do all of those things, I promise you the money will come. You guys can see here I have three profitable days. I'm 2 days away from getting a payout. I don't even care what the balance is. I'm just gonna get a payout. Actually, I want to aim for at least 2K, maybe 2.5, just so when I take 50% out, I will have at least a 1K or a 1.5K buffer. That way I can, get another payout as well. But also I want to scale up my accounts. So I only have one funded account right now, but I do want to get about 5 altogether. Going into 2026 is definitely doable. Once I get 5, this $1,000 week so far turns into a 5K week, and that's where it starts to get a little fun. With that being said, that's all for today, guys. Let me know in the comments below, how did your trading day go? Did you guys take a similar trade? You guys take the sell, or did you guys think it was going to be a buy on NQ? We can even look at gold for a second here. Where's this gold? Yes, gold. Oh, gold was great. So I had, like, initially, even coming in at 8 o'clock, I saw this, but I wasn't. I guess I came in a little too late. I had to go use the washroom and stuff, so I could not get an entry on this bullish move up. But I definitely called it. Even if you look at the 1 hour, it's the same thing. You could just tell that it was setting up for the buys. But I'm glad I didn't take it because now look, it's starting to reject off the levels that I have here. And that's okay. Listen, I still made profit. That's all that matters. Price is gonna do its thing, guys. We want to just get a little piece of the pie and keep it moving and grooving. That's all for today, guys.